The most spoken language of Pakistan is Punjabi. Boundary line between China and India is McMahon line. Islamabad is a part of which province? That is not a part of province. This is a FATA. Russia withdraw from Afghanistan under the Geneva Accord. Long Walk of Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. Zabur was revealed upon Hazrat Daud Islam. General Abdul Fattah al-Sisi is the president of Egypt. Per capita water availability in Pakistan is decreasing. SAVAK was a secret agency of Iran. The capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Where is the Gomal University? It is in Dera Ismail Khan. Buckingham Palace is the residence of Queen of England. Netherlands is the new name of Holland. Out of the following literacy figures, who represented Pakistan in the UNO? That is Petrus Bukhari. Headquarter of European Union it is Brussels. Which of the following item is source of protein? That is meat. Theory of evolution was presented by Charles Darwin. Roman numeral XVI is means of 16. The capital of Chile is Santiago. The sole spokesman was authored by Aisha Jalal. White flag is known as symbol for peace. Al-Taqsim Square is situated in Istanbul. Which out of the following country is not a member of SAARC? That is Burma. The National Assembly of Pakistan constitute of how many members? That is 342. Which of the following has not the foreign minister of Pakistan? That is Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Pakistan area is 881889 square kilometer. In 1965, Indo-Pak war continued for 17 days. Who was the only vice president in the history of Pakistan? That is Nurul Amin. Which city out of the following has the highest annual rainfall? That is Murree. Next one, Chashma Barrage is constructed on the river of Indus. Pakistan's share its global export is 0.3%. Number of prophets mentioned in Holy Quran is 25. Name of first kalma is Kalma Taiba. Largest number of hadiths reported by Hazrat Abu Huraira, who translated the Holy Quran to Persian for first time. The person name is Shah Waliullah. Out of the following occasion, the Muslim offered namaz-e-khasawwaf, that is at the time of sun eclipse. Next one, the only surah of Holy Quran which is not started with Bismillah, that is Surah Tawbah. Terrorism will die down in the course of time. Which out of the following alternatives best expresses the meaning of impediment? That is obstacle. Which one is correctly spelled out of the following is curiosity. Select the word that is opposite in meaning to stimulus, that is deterrent. Which word out of the following is similar in meaning to nefarious, that is evil. Next one, a multinational is a company operating in several countries. Stalemate mean noun and verb. Which convention of ILO deals with the subject of home-based worker? That is 177. In Punjab, two labour appellate tribunals are established at Lahore and Multan. In extraordinary circumstances, an employee is bound to inform his employer regarding his absence to obtain the causal leave within 3 days. Which article of Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan prohibit all forms of forced labour? That is 11. The Punjab Industrial Relation Act 2010 extend to whole of the Punjab. Minimum how many workers of an establishment are required to form a union under the law? There are 50%. Next one, to which officer the application for establishing a union is submitted as per law? That is registrar. A learner who is paid an allowance during the period of training is termed as probationer. मीरा जी का ताल्लुक उर्दू अदब की किस तहरीक से था? हल्का अरबाब ज़ौक़ से। आवाज़े दोस्त किसी की तसनीफ़ है? मुख्तार मसूद की। शाम शहर यारां किसका मजमूआ इकलाम है? फैज़ अहमद फैज़ का। तुलुए इस्लाम किसकी नज़म है? इकबाल की। मुंदरजा ज़ैल में से कौन सा नावल जमीला हाशमी का तहरीर करदा है? दश्ते सौस। अल्लामा इकबाल के पहले मजमूआ इकलाम बांगे दरा का मुकदमा किसने लिखा? शेख अब्दुल कादिर ने। गुडरिया किस अदीब का मशहूर तरीन अफसाना है? अशफाक अहमद का। चचा छक्कन का किरदार किस अदीब की तहलीक है? इम्तियाज़ अली ताज की। मुंदरजा ज़ैल में से कौन सा मुहावरा गलत है? प्यालों में दाल बटना। हुक्का पानी बंद करना के क्या मानी है? बाइकआउट करना। मुंदरजा ज़ैल में से कौन सा मजमूआ कलाम साहिर लुधियानवी का है? तलखियाँ। उर्दू हिंदी तनाज़ा 1867 में बनारस में शुरू हुआ। जॉन कैरी इज़ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट। स्टीव जॉब earned fame during the association of Apple. Laissez-faire, its mean non-interference of states in economy. Renowned novelist Ernest Hemingway belonged to America. Azerbaijan is located in Central Asia. The branch of medicine dealing with skin is called dermatology. Kitabul Hind was written by Al-Biruni. Which Urdu poet was given Lenin Award by the ex-USSR government, that is Faiz Ahmed Faiz? Prague is the capital of Czech Republic. The theory of population was proposed by Thomas Robert. Warren Hastings was the Governor General of India. Guglielmo Marconi invented radio. Second president of USA was John Adams. Communist Manifesto was written jointly by Marx and Engels. Albert Einstein is the best known for his theory of relativity. Aristotle was a teacher of Alexander. Printing press was invented by John Gutenberg. 38 parallel is the boundary line between North Korea and South Korea. Which of the following leader is a Nobel Prize peace winner, that is Barack Hussein Obama? In which year was the first Islamic conference held, that is in Rabat? Who was the first woman ruler of India? Is Razia Sultana. What comes to mind with the name of Neil Armstrong? Is moon. History of Sarkans was written by Sayyid Amir Ali. Which country out of the following is not located in Asia, that is Libya? 10 Downing Street is the official residence of Prime Minister of UK. The Roman numeral XX, its mean 20. Bona fide means acting in good faith. Which of the following has been written by Sigmund Freud? The Interpretation of Dreams. Adam Smith was an economist. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan when first martial law of 1958 was declared? That is Feroz Khan Noon. The constitutional reforms introduced in British India in the year 1909 are gradually referred to as Morley Minto reforms. Indian Basin Treaty was signed in 1960. In 1954, Pakistan joined SEATO. Daughter of East is written by Benazir Bhutto. The first Chief Minister of Punjab was Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mandod. India Wins Freedom is written by Abul Kalam Azad. Mr. Jinnah presented his 14 points in March 1929 in Muslim League session held at Delhi. Who was the only vice president in the history of Pakistan, that is Nurul Amin? The newspaper called Zamindar was edited by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, who was the foreign minister in the interim government of British India formed before the partition, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Rawalpindi conspiracy case was unearthed in 1951. Who was appointed prime minister after the imposition of martial law in 1958, that is Ayub Khan? A famous book titled Witness to Surrender was written by Barik Sidlak Salik. The members of RCD were Pakistan, Iran and Turkey. In which mountain range is Siachen Glacier located, that is in Karakoram range? Pakistan present population approximately 186 million. At the time of independence in 1947, which has the biggest city of Pakistan is Karachi. In men's hockey champion trophy 2014, Pakistan second position. According to the Islamic principle of inheritance, a male share in deceased after property which a female is 2 times. Who was the first Umayyad Khalifa? Is Hazrat Amir Muawiyah. Ushr means 1 of 10th. The highest number of ahadith were narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira. The first Muslim conquest in India took place in 712 Iswi. How many years did the Prophet ﷺ spend in Medina? 10 years. Infaq means spending wealth for cause of Allah. Jamila Al-Azhar is located in Cairo. Which surah was the first to be revealed upon the Holy Prophet ﷺ? Surah Alaq. Who translated the Holy Quran to Persian for first time is Shah Waliullah. Export in chemicals and sugar have registered a phenomenal rise this year. I am indebted to my friend for a large sum. To have one's hand full is to be completely occupied or have a difficult task. A plan which fails to achieve its purpose is abortive. Malady, its mean is diseases. A specialist who measures your eyesight is optometrist. To make a clean breast of something is to confess. Next one is that Article 11 of Pakistan Constitution prohibit all forms of slavery, forced labor and child labor. Under the Constitution, labor is a concurrent subject. Next one, under the Factories Act 1934, no worker can be required to work in any establishment with excesses of 9 hours a day. Which article of Constitution provide the freedom of association and the right to form a union is 17. Next one, in a province, a worker trade union is registered with the registered trade union. A collection bargaining agent (CBA) is a registered trade union elected by secret ballot. Pakistan's constitution provides that children and women are not employed in vocations unsuited to their age or sex. That is correct. माह तमाम किसका कुलियात है? परवीन शाकर का। दारुल मुसन्निफीन आजमगढ़ के बानी कौन थे? अल्लामा शिबली नुमानी। उर्दू ज़ुबान के पहले बाज़ाब्ता अफसाना निगार कौन थे? मुंशी प्रेमचंद। अल्लामा इकबाल की पहली नज़म का नाम हिमाला है। मतमूल का मतलब है दौलतमंद। उर्दू किस ज़ुबान का लफ्ज़ है? तुर्की का। कौन सी तसनीफ़ कुर्रतुल ऐन हैदर की तहरीर करदा है? आग का दरिया। ईरान में अजनबी किस शायर का मजमूआ कलाम है? नून मीम राशिद का। कागज़ की नाव सदा नहीं बहती, इसका मतलब है धोखा हर वक्त नहीं चलता। उर्दू नस्ल में सबसे कदीम सिनफ कौन सी है? की मुकरनी।